How do you save time and money for your business? One of the easiest ways is by batching tasks. Stick around, I'm going to teach you ways that you can implement this in your business and in your life. So batching tasks is pretty simple. It's basically being able to hone in on a task and do it in mass. So for example, it took me 20 minutes to set up the camera and get everything ready. It's going to take 10 minutes to tear down. I'll have to charge things and transfer over footage. So it doesn't make any sense for me to shoot one single video. Instead, I'm going to shoot 6, 7, 8, as many as I can effectively do in one sitting. That way, when I transfer the footage, I can do it all at once. When I'm creating the thumbnails for the videos, I can set aside time and blast through them and use some of the templates or some of the things I've already created to create them a lot faster and more effectively. So you can really do this in so many areas of your business. We think by multitasking we can accomplish a lot more, but science has shown we're able to do a lot less. So really taking your top priority for the day, doing those first when you have the highest amount of willpower is incredibly important, and just turning off your phone, honing in on something, you can be amazed how much you're able to accomplish when you really approach things in this way and think about how much you can create as once. So for example, one day I had set aside as my blog writing day, and I wrote over 10,000 words for about 8 blog posts because I just turned everything off. I got in the zone, I was in the writing space, I found it, and that is just incredibly important. But you can even think about doing this in areas that are not directly your business, because your time allows you to spend more time on your business if you save it elsewhere, or even to spend more time with your family or doing the things you enjoy. So even for laundry, I found a way to get a container where I can separate lights and darks. That saves, 10 minutes. Every time I do laundry, I don't have to separate them. I make a lot of protein shakes, and it has a number of ingredients, like 4 different types of powder. And so I bought a bunch of different containers, and I can make 10 of them in a row, and then it's a single cleanup. So I would encourage you to make a list of different areas that you can improve how you batch things, how you can get things done, because often, taking something out or putting it away takes time. If you're able to effectively plan and write a strategy, if you can do, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos or tasks, or with email, rather than having that open all day, if you just set aside maybe 2 blocks when you're just in the zone, you turn off your phone and you answer email all in a row. That will really keep you focused on tasks at a time. It is incredibly important. It does require you have somewhat of a game plan and understand, like to record 8 videos, I have to look up keywords and plan it out beforehand, but it is so much more effective than trying to figure out every single day, oh, what video am I going to do next? What do I want to talk about? Set up the camera, tear it down. This is just such a more effective use of your time. Anyway, that is everything for this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. I'm going to have a ton more content just like this. I will see you in the next video.